What's up guys, Patrick here, and today I'm going to address a frequently asked question slash complaint that I get in the comments. I live in the US, so I just have the experience from the US, but in the comments a lot of times I'll see this site is not working in my country, or I'll get a comment like this one which says step number 1, you have to be in a good location, which is true for many people. So in this video I'm going to show you the alternative to Swagbucks, which is Ysense. And after I review Ysense, I'm going to show you some bonus sites that work worldwide. So stay tuned for that. So with all that said, I'm going to jump into my computer, show you Ysense, and compare it against Swagbucks a little bit. Alright, so the first thing I want to point out is that Swagbucks is made by Prodege and Ysense is also made by Prodege. So they're under the same parent company, so you know they're both legit. Prodege seems to have a lot of get paid to websites. I guess they just made different get paid to websites for different groups of people. Ysense is the worldwide one, and then Swagbucks is kind of the US one. Now before you start thinking about Ysense, here are the best countries for Swagbucks if you haven't used either of the websites. So it works perfectly in the United States, I'm proof of that. It works in Ireland, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, India, Canada, Spain, Portugal, and United Kingdom. But if you're not in one of these countries, it may not work as well, and you may want to go with Ysense because it's completely worldwide and works anywhere in the world. So now that you know that Ysense could be trusted since it's under the same company as Swagbucks, I'm going to show you around Ysense and how you could earn on this site. So first of all, like on any get paid to website, they have surveys, and I actually like the layout of these because if you look closely, I'll zoom in, some of them say which survey router they're from. So if there's like a specific survey router you like or don't like, you can pick and choose which ones you want to do. Another quick tip that I usually do, you could sort your surveys, and I just do the shortest time and see which survey takes the least amount of time and pays the most, and many times I could find the highest paying surveys like that. You could also sort by the reward, which will just show you the highest paying surveys, and there's actually a really good survey right now that pays $6.50 for 20 minutes. It's from Sint, so it could be hit or miss, but the surveys on this site look pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. They're on par with Swagbucks. I don't know how it is in different countries because I'm viewing this in the United States, but the surveys are pretty decent looking. Next we have offers. So they have many of the offers that are on Swagbucks as well. I checked and some of them pay equal to Swagbucks. Many of them pay less, so in that aspect Swagbucks is better, but this is a worldwide site. It works anywhere in the world. So that's really cool. They have offers. You can explore around these different offer vendors and see who has, and just look around their different offers. So next we have tasks. Ysense has their special tasks that are exclusively found on Ysense. You don't see them on Swagbucks, and they're by Apen, so you know they're legit. I think I tried them out once, but there weren't any jobs available. But this is a cool way to do some simple tasks online and earn a little bit extra. Alright, so next we have affiliates. What affiliates are is when you sign up with someone's link, or you send someone a link and they sign up with your link, you get some commission bonuses. So first, for each referral that becomes active, you will earn a sign-up commission of 10 cents to 30 cents from select countries. And by active, they just mean you just start doing some tasks. And then number 2, once your referral earns their first $5, you will also earn an extra $2 bonus. So by the way they put also there, I'm assuming if once you earn your first $5, you're gonna get a $2 bonus as well. So hey, if you want to sign up with my link, go right ahead. It's in the top of the description. It'll help support my channel. And then for every approved survey offer tasks your referral completes, you get a whopping 20% commission of what they earn. So that's a cool incentive. Next we have cash out, and so you can cash out gift cards. The most important one, obviously Amazon, for me at least. You could cash it out at $3. You could cash out eBay at $5. The Google Play at $25, so that's a bit high. You could do Payoneer at $52, which is really high, but you could do PayPal at $10, which is a good range. And then there's Skrill. You could cash it out at $5.05. And those are probably the easiest ways for you to cash out. Another really cool feature that I like about Ysense is they have integrated a forum into their website. And it opens up a new tab on your computer, but it's still on the Ysense website. So the forum is really useful to see what other people are doing, so you could understand what is working and what is not working. So you could kind of try to implement that for yourself. There's your stats, success stories, payment proof, featured requests, introductions when you sign up for the site. You could talk about tasks, offers, surveys, and just general talk. So it's a really cool forum. People are active on it, and that's just the general forum talk. But if you scroll down, you could interact with people from many different countries. So your language may be in here, and you could talk with these people and see what's working in your country. So that is a really awesome feature of Ysense. So Ysense is the global alternative to Swagbucks. But like I promised you, there's other sites that work worldwide. And the first one I found is Survey Time. From what I've researched, Survey Time seems to be a pretty worldwide site. And how it works, it's just a one page, and you just press start now and do whatever survey they give you. Each survey pays out $1, and that payment goes straight to your PayPal. So that's really cool. You don't even have to withdraw. And the one downside of this is you don't get to choose a bunch of surveys. They just give you one. But one way to get around this is if you link your email to it, they could send you different notifications with different surveys. So that might be a workaround if you only want to do shorter time surveys. So one more website that I know works in a lot of countries, around the world. I don't know if it's 100% worldwide, but there's a lot of countries other than the US that it works in. And this website is called Politico. They have academic surveys on here that pay really well. Right now, as you can see on my screen, there's a surveys that pays £250 for 20 minutes. And besides these three sites, it's hard for me to say sites that are completely worldwide. But one resource I can share with you is this subreddit called Beer Money Global. And like it says, there's opportunities for non-US Redditors. So there's a lot of non-US people talking about how to make money online here. And you may be able to find something. You could ask questions about your country, and or you could search in the search bar your country and see what you could find, like Bangladesh, Brazil, Dubai. So anywhere in the world, this is a great subreddit if you're trying to find some worldwide sites for yourself, for your specific country, and maybe it could work out for you. So I hope that video was helpful for any of you watching outside of the US. If you haven't liked, hit that like button right now. If you want to see more Make Money Online content, survey reviews, online business, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.